Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials: Vscode installed, Python extension active, and the correct interpreter selected. Open your notebook and pick the right kernel so cells run with the environment you expect. Next, enable the built-in debugger from the Run and Debug sidebar and place a breakpoint in a cell or add a breakpoint. Call. Once done, run the cell to trigger the debugger. This immediate action begins interactive inspection of variables and execution flow. Now you move into active debugging. Run the cell that hits your breakpoint and you step over to advanced lines when you don't need to descend into functions. You step into when you do. Make sure to monitor variables and call stack to understand context and scope. You can evaluate expressions in the debug console for quick checks and hover over variables for inline values. Once you see unexpected values, change code, or rerun cells. This iterative loop narrows down root causes. To finish, stop the debugger and decide whether a kernel restart is needed to clear lingering state. Often a fresh kernel prevents stale variable confusion. If you get noise from libraries, enable Just My Code or remove irrelevant breakpoints so you focus only on your logic. If things still fail, check the Python extension logs, reproduce the bug in a minimal notebook, and try isolating the cell causing trouble. That minimal repro helps you understand why behavior differs and speeds up a reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.